Space, the final frontier. This is the 2.5-year journey of the build of the Starship Enterprise. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 80 of Building the Enterprise-D. This is the quick build episode, so not much going on. We're just building this panel, fitting it. We're not using that yet, we've got that, but we'll put that aside for later. This has got some windows in some very strange looking configurations. I'm not sure. They seem to be ignoring the hull lines and just going with it in that sort of shaping, which is probably correct. I don't know. I'm sure it'll be fine. I shall put that aside for now, because then we're going to start off by putting these in place as ever, with the red line on the wider section. So that is going on there that way round. This is exactly the same as the previous one. So we've got all these to put on, that to put in place with 8M screws, I believe. Let me double check. Yeah, 8M screws, and then IM screws for that bit on the front, which has to go, looking at it from that way around. Yep, same way round as the other one did anyway, like that. So and then that goes on when we put it in place. So I'll get all of these in place, get the screws in on that, and then we'll fit it to the main section, and then we'll have a look at the magazine. There we go, that's that all on there, good as new. And then we get to install it in the same place, well, next to the same place. We're working our way around on this one. So again, that needs to key in around the front, the window section. It goes in there, and that should lock in about there. Let's see if again we can get one of these screws in place. If you can get one in, then you know it's pretty much lined up. Let's see what happens. Again, that feels, no, that doesn't feel right. That feels like that's not actually going in. But I think it is. Yeah, it is. It's just me not feeling it quite right. Or is it? Definitely going somewhere, but it seems like it's too far away from that. So I think I may have put it down the edge of the hole rather than the actual hole itself. Yeah, I think I was slightly off kilter there. So let's try that one more time, shall we? That there, that under there, that in there. That the right place now. That's feeling better. So let's see if the first one goes in under that cover, or where that cover is going to be. Yeah, that feels like a screw hole to me. Does it? I'm not sure. That doesn't feel like that's tightening into a thing. Right, it might take a little bit of manipulation, but I shall get that in place, and then I'll get the cover in place, and then I'll come back and I'll show you the magazine. Okay, here we go. The magazine from stage 21, or delivery 21. But yeah, parts 79 onwards. In this issue, we've got lots of stuff to look at. If it's been a while for you, as well as it's been a while for me, this is how the magazine's laid out. First of all, they give you the breakdown of what parts are in each stage, so you can make sure you got what you think you got. That's what we've got. Then it goes through the assembly instructions, which you'll already have seen for 79 and 80, as I've put them in the corner of the screen for you. A sneak preview of what's happening next. 81, we've got another metal framework and a bulb that we're fitting in to the saucer section. And indeed, then we're playing around with the new part that we got last time as well. And then finally, through this delivery, we're doing another little bit of the saucer section, although we're not fitting that one in quite yet. but we are fitting the backing to that new bit. So then we look at the issues. Actually, we look at a thing first. This is the Next Generation Season 5 overview of the season and things that happen in there. Just about get it all on screen there. Yeah, just about. And then it breaks down each episode. This is 5.1, September the 23rd, 1991. Redemption Part 2, obviously cliffhanger, a big cliffhanger because we were away for, a year. There we go, that's this one. Then we have one of the best episodes ever. Darmok, Darmok and Gillard. Tanagra, yeah. Classic episode, some very, very good lines and work in there. I never paid much attention to the character model as well, but obviously lots of work going on makeup. And indeed, they built cool. That's where they built it. And obviously shuttlecraft there as well, because that's how he got there, I think, wasn't it? Ensign Rowe. Yeah, we remember Rowe later on. Yeah, there we go. And Silicon Avatar. Don't remember that one much at all, but obviously a data-centric episode there. Disaster. That's the one. No, not where he got turned into kids. He gets trapped with the kids, didn't he? Because he doesn't like kids, but he sort of does, but he doesn't. Cool, interesting stuff. And that's that. We don't get a sneak peek as to the next delivery, but it will be here soon. Well, I say soon. It's going to be a month, but it might only be 3 weeks until you actually catch up. By the time you've seen this one and another couple, and soon, before you know it, there'll be more Enterprise on the bench. So, thank you very much for joining me for this. I shall see you very soon for the next part of the build, the bit with the framework. And do leave a comment and let me know what you think of the return of the Enterprise. And I shall see you very, very shortly. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.